Question number 19. Okay. So nuclide X can decay by two routes. Okay, two routes are given here: alpha decay and beta minus and alpha decay. Okay, fine. P and R are the intermediate products and Q and S are the final products. Okay, which statement is correct? Okay, to solve this, what we do is first let us consider that Z is the atomic number and A is the mass number for X. After alpha decay, this becomes Z minus 2 and this becomes A minus 4. And after beta negative decay, so one negative charge is emitted. So therefore this becomes Z minus 1 and this becomes A minus 4. No mass number change. Let us do the same thing here. And here this will become Z minus 1, A minus A itself, and this will become Z plus 1. Sorry, this will become Z plus 1. I'm sorry, this is Z plus 1, and this will become Z minus 1, and this will become A minus 4. Okay, this is what we get. Now let us read. Q and S are different isotopes of the same element. Q and S are different isotopes. No, because you see the elements are identical. They are not isotopes. So this is incorrect. Mass numbers of X and R are the same. Mass numbers of X and R are the same. A is same over here. So this is the right answer. B is right answer. Let us verify this also here. So atomic numbers of P and R are the same. P and R atomic numbers. No. This is Z minus 2, this is Z plus 1. No. X and R are different isotopes of same element. X and R. Where is R? See, this is Z here, Z plus 1. Atomic number changes. They are not isotopes. So this is also incorrect. So B is the right answer.